of the Lord.
The beach tomorrow. They want to go to the beach. Want to go to the beach? You want chicken? You want to go to the beach? I should hold you. Sweet baby girl. Number one. Sweet baby boy, come. Number one. Number one. Don't worry, I'm coming. Let me go and buy you chicken. Do you want ice cream? Want ice cream?
You guys, I legit felt so bad. I wish I could actually carry my children to this market, because I feel like children of this generation are actually very bored. I did not grow up just being locked up in the house and just creating place for myself. We literally would play with other compound children and all. I tried to take my children downstairs to ride the bicycle and play, but when you are living in Lagos and everybody literally minds their business in this our generation, I bet you your children will not be having anybody to play with. But anyways, guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Bumsy Spot. Welcome back to yet another market vlog. We are heading to Lagos Idumota Market and I'm going to stock up my home for the month. You guys, when the Holy Spirit is talking to you, listen. I didn't have any reason to actually carry my driver's license today. I mean, I switched cars. I was not driving my car today. I was driving my husband's car. And something just told me, because I've been trying to get my driver's license for like since last year, and they gave me just this paper to ride with, and they've not given me the license yet. Something just told me, remove the paper from your car and put inside your husband's car. You guys, tell me how police that never usually stop me anytime I'm going to the market, they stopped me twice today, and thankfully my license was there, my papers, everything. But yeah, I got to the car park and it's time to take my ticket.
Good morning, oh sister Miss. Fine, thank you. You too. Bye.
It's like I have influenced for this market so much. Anyways, I'm kidding. Tell me why I could not find anywhere to park. I literally had to squeeze myself in this very tight space, you guys. And I still paid the guy to just park in this his spot. And this is not even the ticket parking, right? There was no space to park at all. But yeah, I'm in the market right now, so...
Guys, it is Idumota Market o'clock and welcome. We could not find parking space today. The market is choked. The market is choked. The market is choked. You guys, please let me ask Chicha baby why she's walking to this market with a strong face. Why? Why? But anyways, guys, we're heading to the market. We are telling ourselves that we're not going to spend time in this market today. It's just going to be in and out, but I have a lot of things to actually buy. A whole lot of things to buy. My children cried so much as I was leaving the house today. I felt so bad for them. If I could carry them to this market, I would have, but come on. But anyways, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel and you only come here to watch market vlog, please subscribe to my channel. Encourage me. Drop your comments in the comment section. In fact, I saw one busybody in my last market vlog. This is not a Idumota Market. This is a Orika Market. You know. So you know. And you are still asking me to tell you the places to shop for so and so things. Avoid me. Avoid me. But anyways, let's be going. Let's just be heading inside. I will see you guys inside the market. Baby, say hi to the camera.
You guys, at this point, I have called my laboro woman to actually wait for me at our usual spot. So this is us just walking into the market. And yeah, you guys, towards the end of this video, I'm actually going to put this boo-boo guy's number so that you guys can patronize him, right? Because he said a couple of you have been coming to his store.
You guys, I'm walking to go and meet my love. She's already waiting for me at the junction, so I'm walking to meet her.
If I tell you that I don't know the name of my laboro woman, would you believe me? I literally just call her my love. I sweet talk everybody. My husband says I have sweet names for everybody. So this is my love. I have met with her and we're just heading into the market. So I stopped to buy a couple of spices, turmeric, cloves, and just a lot of things, even zobo leaf as well. You guys, but I also feel like this turmeric that I bought is not the original one. I feel like it's been mixed. Yeah, just like I also got zobo leaf as well. I got this paint of zobo for 1,000 naira, and I think I bought about two of the paints because I didn't want to tell him to measure it in a custard paint. I think it is much more if you do it this way, right? So I bought about two. I got cinnamon, and this cinnamon was 500 naira for this stick that he wrapped in this way, right? And I think I got about four of the cinnamon, what they call it, because I love it in my zobo. You guys, we've gotten to the market here, Orican Market. That busybody that corrected me, look at it too. I didn't grow up in Lagos, I'm sorry. You guys, I picked up this thing and I was asking the guy that, is this black soap? He was like, no, they use it to make zobo. So if you know it, like if you've used it to make zobo before, drop it in the comment section. But I did not buy it, so I'm not gonna use it. I prefer my zobo the way it usually tastes. My love literally, was just helping me here. I saw these fresh vegetables, cucumber, beetroot, mint leaf. So as I was buying, she was buying, because I didn't intend to spend time in this market. I told her, go and be pricing, go and be buying. And I came across this guy doing his pedicure in the market. And I don't think that this is hygienic, but let me know in the comment section, like, would you go to the market and meet all these people that clean toenails, clip your toenails, do pedicure literally in the market? I was just amazed, like, how can you allow somebody do this to you? But anyways, none of my business. Chacha baby actually wanted to buy braided wigs, and I saw these really, really beautiful braided wigs. Come on, they had it in different color, different shades, boho braid, twist, like just name it. And even inside they had like cuter ones. And first of all, she was telling me, why am I bringing out my phone, why am I reading? I said, if I post this thing on my channel, do you know how many people will come here and come and ask you? But anyways, Expression was doing buy cheap Expression and you get your hair braided. So I bought about two. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm doing like proper unveiling of what I bought in the market. And then tomatoes as well. I was just pricing this guy of his tomatoes and his tatashe. Tomatoes is still, very much affordable right now. Rush and go and buy. You in April, you are going to be crying. Rush and buy. Literally, what I'm doing is I have blended all the ones I bought from my tool. I just buy a few every time I want to use these, strong ones that I can use to make egg sauce and all. But this is him putting this tatashe for me. I negotiated. I learned something from Becky's vlog. Don't just rush and buy the custard paint. Let them divide it into two, and they should share it into like the half paint and put it in two places if you want to buy a full custard paint. So yeah, shout out to you, Becky the mommy. I learned something from you and I love it. But anyways, I proceeded to buying broccoli. These vegetables were looking so fresh, and I saw kale. In fact, I was mistaking it for celery, and it was even the guy that even corrected me. I was like, no, this is not celery, this is actually kale. And then I told him to go and give me the fresher ones because I don't want anything on display. So he was trying to bring out this nylon because he had like fresher kale. And I think I bought, the way he tied it, a bunch of it he initially told me 1,300, but Boomsy and her negotiation skills, I bought this 1,000 naira. Some people will say they will buy it cheaper. That's your business, but this is how much I bought it. But this is the market, busy. Really busy on this day. But I'm just walking to, where I buy my provisions for my kids and, other places as well.
My love.
My husband will watch this part of the video and be like, everybody is your love. What am I now? What am I? Why are you sharing my names with everybody?
Even wrong come up for other people now. They say they give me things where they display. I don't want display things. Things where you don't keep on that sun. Now my children they chop this thing. They will give you inside.
You guys, your head literally has to dangmana in this market. It has to touch. Speak pidgin, no. Don't come here and be doing, oh, sure. They will bobo you, like literally. Don't buy the ones on display. Tell them that they should go in and go and bring those ones that are inside the carton. But anyways, I stopped by this my lady. I usually buy my, cleaning items, and she went to pray. So I just told her neighbor what to write down for me. I proceeded to the lady that I've been buying spice from. I think it's just fair enough to just keep buying from her because she's never cheated me. She actually gives me like, what the same price that I will go there and I will ask other people as well, because I will gist you what the guy that I bought Fab biscuit for did to me, and he has been doing to me for months. But by the time I came back to my provision lady, she had packed everything for me. You guys, look at this avocado. They say it's Cotonou butter avocado. I shall bought too, because anything Cotonou I will buy. And I also bought, this cow leg as well. I think I bought it for about 4-5, the one that she's cutting. You guys, cow leg is expensive. And this is one of the sweetest parts that my husband likes. Look at my guy. Please patronize him, right? This is where I buy my
Please patronize him. I'll leave his number on the screen so that you guys can buy from. He has a lot of fine boo-boos. The ones I usually buy. So please patronize him, please. You guys see Wasiu? Oh wow. You know me now. You guys, today Wasiu is very humble. Very, very humble. You don't sell for her?
No, I don't sell for her.
Okay. For her for 35.
25.
That's so.
You know what? Did you guys sell for her?
You should see Wasiu. See his stomach.
I just dance.
See him belly. Just see him belly.
I just dance with you.
I no buy am. You self buy give me one day. He dey laugh.
Why not go laugh?
Wasiu dey laugh like who don chop belle.
No, I hungry you. I never get money.
Na so. Na so. Wasiu why dey follow me reach car? Na so.
I'm done and I'm heading back home. I can't believe that someone in my previous vlog actually found a problem with me and Wasiu's banter. And I was like, you know what, go and watch my previous video because I cannot help you. Just go away with your negative vibes. But anyways, I was back home, so happy to see my children. And it's time to actually tell you guys how much I bought things. I bought roll of Dano, still same price, 1,200 for a sachet roll. And I think I bought about 6. I got this bottle of granola, so sweet, 2,500. I bought a sachet of 3 Crown milk for 1,300. And then you guys, I bought Milo for 1,300 as well for a sachet. And I bought, I think, about 4. Cornflakes was 2,500. Bama 2,500. Sugar was 1,300. And I also bought grounded one. You guys, I also bought Quaker Oats for 2,500 naira. This is my favorite sweet. I bought it 1,500. Yogurt was 3,800, and I bought about 4. You guys, custard checkers was 4,000 naira. Golden Mon still 4,000 naira. That's how much I bought it, and I think I bought about 4 this time around. And I didn't know that I even had so much more at home. And then I bought this Dano 123 for 5,000 naira. I told my customer that if I go and find out that she cheated me, it would be a problem. But anyways, I bought Nutribomb for 1,700 naira. And I bought about 4 because we don't even eat so much of this. Salad cream was 1,500. Peanut butter, this particular brand was 2,100. You guys, let's go to Fab Biscuits. There is this brother, an Igbo brother, even know that used to sell this thing for me 11,000 naira. Every time I ask, say it don't increase. I literally bought this 9,000 naira, and that's how the price has been since. But anyways, I bought this full roll of tissue for 8,000 naira. Just feel this brother, sister. Attachment, yes, was 3,000. You buy this attachment and they'll make your hair for free. I was happy to buy it. You guys, Morphix pants was 14,500. Johnson tablet soap was 2,000 naira. Eva soap for my girls 2,500. Sweet air freshener was 1,200 for each. Viva Forever detergent was 1,700. You guys, I also want to try the Viva dishwasher. It was 2,000, and I also bought this one for 1,800. Norvex is taking over in the market too, and this Norvex bleach was 2,000 naira. You guys, I used the toilet cleaner and I fell in love with it, and that's why I said let me try the bleach. And then toilet cleaner was 2,500. All these vegetables you can see, from the kale to the spring onions, was 5,500. This custard paint of onions was 3,000 naira. I have onions, but I just decided to buy more. This size of avocado was 1,500. Cotonou avocado. A plate of strawberry was 1,500. Nutrella was 6,500, and this one was 2,500. Sesame oil was 1,000. Golden Terra oil was 3,800 for the sachet one. I'm in love with it, so I just keep buying it. Lobster chicken 700 each. Dustbin nylon was 1,200, and then chicken spice 1,500. No, 1,008. This quantity of panla fish was 1,500 naira. Onion carton of Indomie was 10,800 naira. You guys, a custard paint of sweet potato was 3,000 naira.
This woman cheated me. This bunch is not complete. 5,000.
Jesus. That one you bought in the other market.
Can you imagine? I'm telling you.
Jesus.
3,000. 4,000. 4,000. 115 each.
115 each.
2,500. All of this beef is 30,000 naira. And then together with this cow leg I bought it for 4,500 shaki, and there is liver here for 2,000. Everything you can see here right now is for 40,000 naira, including the beef, and the beef was cut in big pieces, so I'll have to recut it again as we are washing.
I have come to the end of today's vlog. Bye guys. I spent a total of 413,000 naira. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. See you guys in my next vlog.